These are the blind spot mirrors from BBTO. Pretty cool design here. They're sticky on the back. I'm going to get these out of the package, install them, show you exactly how they work. But these are really nice, well packaged here. You get 4 of these. Let's get these put on and try them out. All right, so very easy to use. You're just going to take the 2 pieces that come out here. You get 2 mirrors and 2 of these swivel devices on the back here. You're going to see you get this 3M sticky tape on this middle ring here. You're going to peel off the sticky tape and then take the larger side of the swivel and line that up and stick that right to that. So that's going to attach your mirror to the swivel base. I guess you could just stick that mirror right on if you wanted to, but that swivel base is going to be really handy. I'll show you here in a second why. Then you're going to take your 3M sticky tape off of the base here, and you get that sticky tape there, and then you're going to place this somewhere on your mirror. So the outside corner is usually a nice spot because it gives you all this area that you can still use, and then the concave shape of this mirror grabs a much larger picture of what's around you, so you can use this area of the mirror to see the normal, whatever's next to you, but you know that blind spot over here can get captured with this mirror here because of this concave shape. So, and now with that swivel, we can adjust this around as needed. It spins, it twists, it bends really nicely, works really well. So you can see your normal mirror looking back here, and then this you can adjust and capture a much larger area out to this side, which you definitely can't see right here. This still captures all of that. So this is where your blind spot would be, over to the side here. And this little mirror here is going to help keep you safe. Very easy to install, great design. They pop on in a couple minutes. You get 4, so you can actually do this on 2 different vehicles if you want to do both sides, or 4 different vehicles if you just want to do the driver's side. So these are great, help keep you safe, great gift idea, and they work really well.